Hi, it's Sherry again, and this is workbook day number 5. We're doing the Mastering Your Bernina Sewing Machine Owner's Workbook. This workbook would have been given to you if you would have bought the machine originally, and you would have done this in a class. Well, I didn't get a class, and if you bought the machine secondhand or used like I did, you didn't get a class. So I thought I would do a video class and go through the workbook, which I'm learning a lot. So we're on day number 5, and it's page 20 in the workbook, and it's talking about doing a zigzag or over sewing edge, and it wants you to, that's stitch number 2, and it wants you to set your width for 4. So here's your width, and we set our width with this button right here. So now I've got it dialed up to 5.4, but let's put it back to 4, where it tells us what it wants for, and a length of 2. So here's your length, and you adjust the length with this button here. And so when you do adjust your length or your width, you see the picture or the image changes. So here I'm adjusting my length, and you can see it's showing you what the stitch is going to look like. So we'll put it back to 2 per the manual. Okay, so then it says to finish a 6-inch edge. So basically we're finishing an edge, and the reason I do this stitch is if I have fabric that I want to wash and I don't want it to unravel all over the place, or if you're sewing a garment and you want to finish the edge using the zigzag stitch, that way your edge won't unravel. So here it says to put the fabric, you can either guide the edge of the fabric under the middle of the presser foot, which is what I chose to do, or move the needle position to the far right, and so using the inside edge of the toe. I don't like to do it that way. So this is how I've been doing it, and here we go. We'll start. And it's saying that when you do it, the needle should go into the fabric on one stroke of the needle and over the edge on the next stroke. Do not use too long of a stitch or too wide of a stitch. The edge should lie flat and not roll. You don't want it to roll up. So there you go. There's your zigzag stitch that's basically being used to kind of finish that seam. And I wanted to, here, I'll let you see it. And there we go. See, it's the very edge is on the edge of it. So, and that today is workbook day number 5, and that's all we got.